Let Daddy dear garden the house. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Saturday. I need to put some stuff on my lips. But it's 7:54 and it's 19 degrees. I am headed out. I have my coat with me. I've got a long sleeve on, a cami on under. I have my little fuzzy situation zip up. I have my scarf. I have my hat with my little bobble. And then I also have my gloves with my long coat. I'm going out to do the rest of the shopping for the boys, because we have it's tomorrow. Okay, so today is our day to just chill. But I need to go grocery shopping because tomorrow we have a birthday party, and that's gonna be a few hours long. And then we also have another Christmas party to go to. It's just Seth and I think are gonna go. We want to try to go to the Christmas market at the brewery, but I just don't know because we're supposed to have a cold snap come in later this evening where it's supposed to be below 0 wind chill. So it's already 19 degrees right now. It's supposed to stay around 19 or 20 till about 6 or 7, and then it's supposed to plummet down. So we will see about taking the boys to the Christmas market, because it's outside. The bar, you can sit in the bar, but it's always packed inside of the bar. And then we have one more weekend, next weekend, that they have the Christmas market, and then they close it right after Christmas. They don't have it after Christmas, obviously. And then next weekend, we have a birthday dinner. We have another birthday party to go to next weekend. And then it's the weekend before Christmas. So everywhere is I just need to get the rest of their stuff. Long story short, I need to get the rest of their stuff. I need to pick up Seth's present. So I'm going to go to Meijer, I'm going to go to Walmart, and I'm going to go to ArtMart. So I'm going to go to ArtMart first. And then I'm probably going to go to Walmart, and then I'm going to go to Meijer because I'm going to get cold bits I'll get cold bits at both, but it's cold enough out and I have my cooler. So I'm gonna bring you guys along today. We're gonna come home and we're gonna make pot roast and we're gonna have a nice cozy night. And Seth wants to make my birthday cake because it was just too much last night. And he put the deer up and they built a snowman and Ian and Seth played outside. Logan played outside a little bit yesterday too, but his hands got too cold because he wouldn't keep his gloves on. So yeah, that's the thing. But yeah, let's go. We're gonna go to ArtMart for everything. And I have to get gas. 80 miles till E. I have to get gas, so let's go along today. Alright, we are at a Walmart. I did get, as we used to say in college, we got princess parking. All the cards there was cards against my car, and my car's not scratched, but whatever. It is snowing a lot more than it was when I got here, so I'm letting my windshield kind of do its thing. And we're gonna go to ArtMart now. We got a lot more at Walmart than I planned, but I think Christmas is officially done with everybody except family. Me and Seth are done, kids are done, Santa's done. Let's go to ArtMart. Gonna get my medicine because I literally have till Monday to pick it up, and it's supposed to snow all night. I didn't think it was supposed to do this till tonight, and all day tomorrow. So I'm here. I'm in town anyway. Let's get what we need and let's go home. And it's now 13 degrees. about these. They're mixers, so coffee, mulled wine, and tea. And you just drop them in, and there's sugar, I believe. How fun. my gosh, you guys. I just got out of Art Mart. Whew. I'm going to show you some of the things I got. I won't show you the Christmas presents, but so I got a book. I need to put this somewhere where it's not going to get wet. I got a book for Ian for Christmas, which I'll show later. I got myself a Diet Coke because it's 11:30 and I haven't eaten anything. It's coming down so hard, guys. Let's see. I got, well, I'm going to do hauls, so I'm not going to show you everything that I got, but I'll show you what I got for myself today that I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. I did get some Christmas bits in there. So I did do a little bit of filming inside because It's Art Mart and it's Christmas, and they didn't get in the cherry Bakewell tarts that they've gotten in the last couple of years. She said she just didn't get them on any of her orders. Woo! So I got a raspberry Linzer cookie, and they were just putting these out. So I got one of those. Yum, 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 yum. And then as a little treat, and I'll eat these over the next couple days. So this is my birthday present from the boys. They're like, go to Art Mart, get what you want. This is a raspberry cherry almond tart, one of their small ones. And then I also got a eclair. The woman that owns this place, well, there's a couple that owns them, but the woman that opened this up, she's from England, and she ships in stuff, and super fun. And then to eat now, because I need to eat and take my medicine, I got a ham and Swiss croissant with bechamel, here's the name, Monsieur. Oh my god. Look at that. And I did my nails with pink and snowflakey sprinkles. Let's taste this. Mmm. And Diet Coke. I didn't say that. Now we're gonna go to Meijer and finish up. There's nothing else that I need to get. I am definitely not going to Costco. Costco can wait till right before Christmas because there's a couple things that we need since we're hosting Christmas Eve. Oh my god. You guys, I'm glad I got this. Alright, I'm done with Meijer. It is now 10 degrees. I do have my coat, I promise. I did find one more present for Ian. They had a Lego set, this certain set in a clearance area. And so I grabbed it. I grabbed one, and it said normally $29.99, and it rang up for $7. So I snatched one. I'm gonna eat my eclair. It's almost 1 o'clock, I think. I ripped my thing, but I'm gonna head home. My sister-in-law wanted me to stop by and pick up some Christmas presents that we had ordered to be shipped to her house. This is gonna stay shut. I can't. I don't want to backtrack. She lives about 15 minutes the other way. So I was like, I'm sorry. I can't. I wish you would have messaged me earlier. But she's got a busy week. I'm gonna eat this eclair. Meijer was pretty dead though. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my. Happy birthday to me. Ready? I was just finishing my eclair and texting my cousin before we leave because I don't know if they're getting anything done in St. Louis yet. We just got upgraded to a winter storm, extreme winter storm warning. There are bands of snow coming, and apparently thunder snow is happening in these. Very heavy, so I am going to skedaddle. It's supposed to be here in the next hour, and I have a 30-minute drive home. So I'm going to take it slow. They're now saying if you're out, get off the roads, go home. I don't know how much snow we already have. I'm going to go home and measure just because I'm curious. But, yeah. This is exciting. I know better than to not check, to just not check the weather this morning. But I got everything we need. We're good. And we're supposed to get up to 9 inches, they're saying, tonight, before it's all said and done. Here is Meyer. So I'm going to go through and show you everything that we got from everywhere I went today, except Christmas stuff. So we were out of butter, so we love the Kerrygold salted butter. So we got 2 of those. We got 1 milk. We got 2 of the hardwood smoked, just regular bacon. 2 things of little smokies. Some pot stickers, our favorite cinnamon rolls, 1 thing of milk, some ham, some ice cream, 1 thing of meatballs, Seth's favorite little griddle cakes from Jimmy Dean, some pepperoni, some Pop-Tarts, some Yogi Bites for the Logie, some mixed berry breakfast bars, grapes, 2 things of jumbo blueberries, puffs to use with the Yogi Bites for Logan's trail mix, pasta sauce, 2 things of Oreos, lo mein noodles, graham crackers, and French bread. All right, here is Walmart. So we got Ian's juices for school. He's 1 more week and then he's out for break. I got some of this Biotin Ultimate Strength for my nails because they have not been in the best condition. I got some hand soaps. This is candied apple and then sweet pine to put out for Christmas happiness. Favorite Honeycrisp apple juice, which I think they're doing away with this now. They've moved it to a very small area and there was like none there. We got these to play on Christmas Eve since we're hosting. It's the reindeer toss and the Christmas tree toss. I saw them each and I thought that would be super fun to have 1 of each. So I'm sure we'll love to play that. I got Ian this Christmassy Minecraft shirt. They're in the shape of a wreath. It's really cute. Super cute. And then I got the boys these shirts to wear on Christmas Eve. Yes, they match. Yes, I am that mom, and it's okay. I also got Logan this little black little piece set. They were on sale each for $1, so I was like, why not? I got myself this pretty little fleecy button-down shirt. Carnival candy mix for the Scouts holiday party, as well as some Tootsie Fruit Chews. It's for Scouts. And then I got this because I love the Lindor truffles.
You like snickerdoodle truffles?
Yes. And I got the milk chocolate snickerdoodle and hot cocoa because happiness. That's Walmart. And then these are the little bits that I got from Art Mart. I got the Matthew Walker Christmas pudding. Super excited about that. I always try to get the little mini Scotty Dog Walker's shortbread cookies because they're super cute. And then the Walker's mince pies. I am so happy. I showed you everything else. The tart, the eclair I ate, the croissant I ate. And then I got some gifts, which you'll see. And then later on, Vlogmas. It's been a while. It's about 4. And it's still coming down, guys. I'm gonna go out and measure here in a little bit, I think. But yeah, our snowman's slowly getting buried out there. Ian, you want some ice cream? No.
Maybe in an hour or two.
Maybe in an hour or 2. Oh my god! Logan! You like that? His eyes are closed. Is that good? I don't even know.
See, the swirls worked out really well.
Daddy and I made the cake.